I'm pretty sure of that, brother. Now, just shut up. I'm trying to. Hello, everyone. My name is Archangel Michael's pissing me off over here. See, this is my brother. I'm clear on that, clear sifted, all clears. My name is Archangel Beloved 33. Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. We got sunshine on a cloudy day. No pain. We made mistakes with roll stone. So it's like I hear Bone Thugs and Harmony. I hear Hallowed Be Thy Name by Kingdom Come. I don't know. I'm getting okay. After the sun cards in the reverse, I guess someone's trying to take out the sun. I said this in one of my YouTube videos a while back when I was done with staff members digging into my Akashic records trying to stop me because I'm a star seed and I know stuff. Possibly dealing with lies to your vision. Pinocchio. Lies to your vision. 24 hours, 7 days a week. That's why they hate you. Because you're not crying on a Sunday. It's not a Sunday, it's a Saturday. Get fucking used to it. Sorry, you know what? I went way too loud. Way too. Anyways, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. Let me continue. Let me collect call. 1-800, chuck that up. Okay. I will be nice. Anyways, Archangel Mike said stop the hand around. You possibly done with a judgment call that's made on someone's divine masculine and divine feminine, and the Galactic Federation is now updating your DNA. Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. Also here, Scorpio is getting a wake-up call regarding a low vibration Scorpio in regards to some unjust behavior. As these shall all come to pass, clergy, possibly dealing with a Libran, will also be, I heard constable, I heard convertible, I heard truth is written in red, in which the white Chevrolet. I also heard Joshua. The Joshua named Jesus Christ. Well, I'm the 12th Messiah, so I can actually do that. That remedies together, right? So possibly dealing with divine justice, judgment, DNA upgrades, and stuff like that. Very nice, very very nice. 12 or 3 should be 23. 53 should be significant Cancer. By the way, as you be stepping, and you will be stepping. Okay. And it's not the way you think. I'm going to be clear. I want to be all clear about this. But therefore, if I am on here, I provide truth. I'm a Pisces sun moon, by the way, with heavy Sagittarius in my chart. If anything, I'm going to tell you, and when I tell you, it's bitch, I told you. I don't care. But this goes for all signs. But I'm heavy getting angel number 777. It is what it is, and the war of the Ukrainian mindset. Possibly done with a death wish. Someone's trying to kill you, Cancer? Archangel Michael. That's why I'm up right here. Heavy emphasis on your ascendant, wherever your ascendant is, followed by your feet. It's like, the go time, he says. Magnetically, it's like these things will start to happen because you earned it. I don't know, but reaping good benefits, you would know about that. Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio is Archangel Raphael was also telling me that it will also be due to central time. I just got a crow call, but it wasn't the time for that. I don't know. When has there ever not been a time? Are we talking about multiple different faces or a crime that was created by, I heard loving you is the greatest sin, my greatest sin. Mm, So I guess someone's riding and waving away. Yeah, I guess if you're year 1990 to year 2000, you would get the bag in. They get the master plan of the industrial reversal of everything backfiring because of all the crap that was done to unstabilize your continental package. I'm getting a heavy emphasis on a continental package. Number 45, spiritual abundance also plays a part within your law of alchemy, because if you are considered low income, not like you try to have a fancy car or anything, or no income, you use law of alchemy to awaken you to the fact that you can get out of your disabled. But someone was facing a lot of mental conflict. I'm gonna say that right now, and it's being released because something to do with a Leo, something to do with the complications between a Leo, or something to do with do not touch water, for therefore you don't deserve it. I don't. If you are water, if you are water, normally I want to be really, really clear on how this is gonna go. It's gonna sound weird as hell, because I'm also a Pisces Mercury. Moral clears. Listen closely, because I'm just getting this in. We got it. So with the Six of Wands and the Empress card and the Sun card, which are just, this happens naturally, by the way. I heard, complications between 2 and 3. So whatever that wasn't clear, it's being brought forth with a golden scepter, but not a double-edged one, unless you're dealing with what takes one to know one, reflections of you. Now, I remind you that the Empress card has been in reverse for quite some time. The universe is playing a game here. The ones that are chosen would understand that, because it's very hard to fit in, even though you fucking try. Really? If you're an empath, please raise your hand and stomp your right foot. And don't forget it, as Lilith will play a big role. My Lilith is in Libra. I heard satellites never really made love. Go ahead. So I guess so. Like someone's working late night. Obviously, I was gonna say like someone's working late night at a higher. I guess probably trying to see higher gown. Okay. Okay. Their higher gown. Okay. So possibly done with high night. That night you got high. I ran somebody over because I got high. I don't know. So what's that song? What's that song? I cursed somebody else because I got high. It's like someone like literally like having some type of Paul Bundy. I don't know. Someone's having some type of what type of brownie spirit I'm picking up on. Like someone literally has some chocolate. Uh, that's good for you too. See that raspberry dark chocolate. I don't know. I don't know. I'm a pomegranate chocolate type of. I like a little sweet tart, cranberry, cranberry chocolate. Yeah, that's it. Anyways, sorry. Let me get back to this. But what I'm saying should make sense, as the high priestess would also stand next to the person with the pride and ego that has there been any foundations that's been solid lately. I guess someone's trying to get a puzzle piece together I know I said trapezoid, but I don't know if I said it in this video. I was reading with the Galactic Federation. I don't know. I'm so in this world, out of it. Anyway, excuse me. So possibly dealing with someone that has. I'm picking up a lot of celestial activity that may be going on. Excuse me. Um, so excuse me if I mention myself. Excuse me as I channel different. I said that before. So a lot of things are going to be happening very different. Scorpio, Cancer, Pisces. This is an energy update reading for you. Capricorn will be next.